Hi everyone. Better Boat contacted us to see if we wanted to try out their muffs for our boat. And of course I said yes, because I'm always looking for a good pair of muffs. I seem to end up misplacing mine or the rubber wears out. So they sent these to us and pleasantly surprised. They're very well built. They also bring in water from both sides. A standard pair of muffs, you're going to bring in water from one side, but on these you'll have it on both sides. What I like about that is you're able to flush out both sides of the intake down on the lower drive unit. I'll go ahead and fit these on. These fit super snug. What's nice about it, this is for a Volvo SX, but if you have a smaller motor like a 20 horse or whatever, they're tight enough, they'll fit around that drive as well. Just a nice pair of quality. I'll go ahead and get the water turned on and get these things snugged up. Okay, so I got the water on. You can see that they make a really good seal, and it is bringing water up to the upper part of the drive, and just doing a really nice job. So if you're looking for a great pair of muffs, I would definitely suggest these muffs from Better Boat. They just seem to do a really nice job, and I'll be happy to use these in a lot of years to come.